So on a few of my recent projects I've been using this two-part epoxy, this Milliput. You mix 2 equal parts of each one together and it sets rock hard. And what I'm going to hopefully do is use it to make myself a pen. And the pen I'm going to turn is this one from Taylor's Mirfield. It's what they call a Zeta. I think it's about £5 or £6 for this pen. This one's in gunmetal and gold. Really nice pen. So what I'll do first is just rough this blank up and that's ready. Just a bit of sandpaper. What I'm hoping to do is use all the different colours of the Milliput and make a camouflage pen. So ideally I need black, brown, possibly light brown, maybe green. So I think what I'll do is I'll just mix each colour up first and see what I end up with. So black first. That's probably way too much. And we've got white. Again, I probably not need a great amount of white. Silver grey. Terracotta. Probably cutting far too much off these. And then that's the yellow and grey. And I've completely forgotten now what colour is what. I think I'll start with white first. So you just mix the two together now for about 5 minutes. So there's the different colours. I think really I could do with a bit of a dark brown, so what I might try and do is maybe mix a bit of black with a bit of brown. Try that and see what happens. So I roll them up into little sausages. Should have gone with a light colour first. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is break off little pieces. Then mix it up. Slice it up. Like this. And all we do then is wrap some pieces around the blank. Like that. Then give it a quick roll. And then leave that somewhere for a few hours just to set. I'll square this up first before it goes on the lathe. I think in all honesty I'm not really confident when it comes to turning, but I seem to be able to do enough just to get the job done. This is a good little mandrel. This is from Axminster Tools. not too bad. Not perfect, but that should be right. A few, maybe little scratches, I think, maybe, but no, that's okay. Fairly simple pen to assemble. I usually remove the nib on the front, just to avoid any damage when you're pressing the pen together. And line up carefully. And then a bit of paper there just stops the surface getting scratched. Then the twisty bit. And the ink. Spring. And then the nib. Quick test. And then the cap. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask away. And I'll leave you with some pictures of the finished pen.